dear students. Welcome back to Science Online class. I hope you all are absolutely fine and doing well at your home. Dear students, in the last class we have learned total 15 new words from the chapter Keeping Safe. That is your 6th chapter. So, in today's class we are going to again learn some another new words from related this chapter. Okay, so are you ready? Now we are going to start here. So dear students, the first spelling of today's class, that is the medicine. So dear students, have you seen the medicine? Yes, when you are feeling ill, then you are taking the medicine. Golgi ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. So that is the medicine. So what is the spelling of medicine? medicine. Medicine. What is the spelling of medicine? medicine. Medicine. Next spelling is injured. Okay, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು suppose if we are running so fast and suppose you are getting fall, then what happen? You get injured. Okay, ಚೋಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? What you are feeling? You are feeling injured in your body. So what is the spelling of injured? INGURED. Injured. This is the spelling of injured. Next spelling is parks. So dear students, have you visited to the park? Yes, so many parks are available in the Chikkodi itself. Have you visited the park? Yes. So what is the spelling of parks? Parks means where you can play with, you can walk with your friends, you can walk with your parents, you can play so many things. So there so many things are there to play there. Okay, so this is the spelling of parks, that is the PARKS, parks. Next is the playground. Have you visited to the playground? Yes. So when you are coming to the school, the playground is ready to play. Okay, so there the place you can play, the ground where you can play it. Okay, so what is the spelling of playground? PLAY, play. Okay, and next is the ground. GROUND, ground. What is the spelling of playground? PLAY, play. GROUND, ground, playground. Next spelling is insects. Okay, so what is the spelling of insects? Solle ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? So solle is nothing but the insects. INSECTS, insects. What is the spelling of insects? INSECTS, insects. Next spelling is zebra crossing. So dear students, in footpath you can see here when you will going to start the lesson, each and everything I will explain there. So just to recall the spelling first. So this is the combination of two words, zebra and crossing. So what is the spelling of zebra? ZEBRA, zebra. CROSSING, zebra crossing. Next spelling is subway. Subway is nothing but a tunnel under the road for use by the people. Okay, so this is the tunnel. Subway means another way. So what is the spelling of subway? That is SUBWAY, subway. Next spelling is banister. Okay, what is the next spelling? It is the banister. So what do you mean by banister here? So a railing at the side or a staircase of a balcony to prevent people from falling. So dear students, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೈತಿ, ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಏನು ರಾಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ರಾಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಬ್ಯಾನಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಎ ರೇಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನು ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ರೇಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರ ರಾಡ್ಸ್ದ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾನಿಸ್ಟರ್. BANISTER, ಬ್ಯಾನಿಸ್ಟರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ accident. What is the spelling of accident? ACCIDENT, accident. Okay, what is the spelling of accident? ACCIEDENT, accident. Next spelling is trip. So have you visited to the trip? So here sometimes what happen, trip have two meaning, that is the catching one's foot on something, that is the trip, or you can say the trip you can plan for go outing with your friends and the parents, that is nothing but the trip. What is the spelling of trip? TRIP, trip. Next is the nutrients. Okay, so dear students, what do you mean by nutrients? So you know about the nutrients, nutrition, nutrients. So what we are having the food for getting the energy is called as the nutrients, and the process where we are going to have the food for getting the energy is called as the nutrition. That is the nutrients. Nutrients means is another form of that for getting the nutrients. So what is the spelling of nutrients? NUTRI, nutrients. TIOUS, nutrients. This is the spelling of nutrients. Next spelling is exercise. In early morning after having the bath, and next is after getting the fresh, what you have to do? You have to do the regularly exercise. Why? Because for getting the good muscles, okay, good muscles in your body for development of your body. So what you have to do? You have to do exercise. EXERCISE, exercise. Next is the first aid box. Dear students, if you get injured or if you are getting any kinds of the wounds, then what happen? Your mother is, what she is doing? She is applying some patti, medicine, ointments, okay, and she is giving some medicine. Why? So why we are keeping, where we are keeping these things? We are keeping these things in a first aid box. First aid means after getting the injured, what happens? Whatever remedies we are taking for get a cure, that is the first aid box. What is the spelling of first aid box? It is very easy. First spelling FIRST, first, AID, add, and last one is the box, first aid box. Now next spelling is wound. Something if you are getting cut in your hands by knife, by blade, by anything, so you will get a mark there. That is nothing but the wound. WOUND, wound. So dear students, again you have to be just recall the things for writing the homework. So here once again I am repeating all the words once again. So just go for that. Medicine, MEDICINE, medicine. Next spelling is injured, INJURED, injured. Next spelling is parks, PARK, parks. Next spelling is playground, PLAY, play, GROUND, playground. Next spelling is insects, okay. So what is the spelling of insects? INSECTS, insects. Next spelling is zebra crossing, ZEBRA, zebra, CROSSING, crossing, zebra crossing. Next is the subway, SUBWAY, subway. Next spelling is banister. What is the spelling of banister? BANISTER, banister. Next spelling is accident, ACCIDENT, accident. Next spelling is trip, very easy, TRIP, trip. Next spelling is nutrients, NUTRITIOUS, nutrients. Exercise, EXERCISE, exercise. Next is the first aid box, FIRST, first, AID, add, BOX, box, first aid box. Wound, WOUND, wound. Next spelling is, okay, oh my god, all the spellings are finished now. So already almost we have completed total 15 spellings. So you each and every spelling you have to be read and write, and you have to be practice for the pronunciation. Okay dear students, let's meet in the next class. Have a good day. Bye bye.